Hello, this is Chris from Platec. On this video we are going to learn how to add an image comparison to our site using the Elementor page builder and the Happy Elementor add-ons. First we need to go over to the left bar, then on plugins we are going to click on add new. And on the search bar we are going to type Happy Elementor. And then we are going to click on install now. This plugin Happy Elementor Addons will add some extra powerful widgets. Among them is the image compare widget. So we are going to activate it. And now we are going to pages, all the pages, and we are going to select the page where we want to add our image compare. In this case we are going to use the home page, and then we are going to click on edit with Elementor. Here we are on the Elementor dashboard. Now we are going to scroll down until we found an open section like this one. So we are going to type on the widget search bar image compare, and this is the one we are going to use. We are going to click with the left mouse button, and then we are going to drag and add it to an open section. So we have before and after image, so we are going to select two images for comparison. So we are going to select our employees right here, one, and after we are going to choose another. So we have it here, and now we are going to change the size of the image if we want. Maybe we are going to use some large ones, maybe add some custom resolution to it, so that's small. Then we are going to use the full size, and we are going to select this one right here, and before and after, like so. So we have our two images. It's important, but the image must be of the same size, or it's going to be a discrepancy where we can see the background of the section. So we are going to change the label here to summer, and in the after we are going to choose autumn, or maybe fall. It's easier that way, summer and fall. And then we are going to move to settings. We can change the visibility ratio of the image if it's split even, or if there is more of an image or the other. So we're going to leave that even, and we can change the orientation to vertical and horizontal if we want. Or we can hide the overlay so it doesn't show when I hover, and we can change the movement of the handles on the swipe, the click, or the hover. We are going to leave it on swipe for the example. So we are going to move on to the style. We can change the color of the handle, so we are going to choose maybe a green, and we can change the size. If we add some px, we can make it thicker if we want. So we're going to use the default. We can choose the size of the handle, the height, the width, if we want to make it larger. We can change the type of border it has, if we want to make it dotted, double, and so we are going to use the default. And we can also change the radius if we want to make it a little bit more square. We are going to leave it square for this one. We can add some padding to the label, so you see, make it a little bit thicker. We're going to use the default because it looks quite good. We can change the position. We will make it more to the middle like that. So we're going to use 200 pixels horizontal. We can add a border if we want, and we can make it more round to if we add some radius to it. And we can change the color of the words, and the background we can change that one to, we can add solid or maybe with some transparency, like that. We can add box shadow and change the typography to the family, make it larger if we want. Maybe it's too much, so we're going to use the default. Add some weight, transform them to uppercase, lowercase, and capitalize. We can choose the oblique, the italic, so we're going to use the default of the font, and we can add some decoration if we want to. Change the line height and the letter spacing. We're going to use those as they are. So once we have done all the changes we want to our image compare, we need to save those changes by going to the lower left and clicking on the update button. So we have added an image comparison to our site using the Elementor page builder and the Happy Elementor add-ons in an easy and quick manner, and it looks quite nice. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.